students, welcome to your aptitude class. Today we will start chapter 3, classification. Classification means grouping various objects based on their properties. You have to group various objects based on their properties. Here, out of the given items, one is different from the other. From the given item, one is different from the other. The different or the odd item has to be picked out from the given item. Cross out the odd one. Number 2, ties, socks, gloves, belt, bat and cap. So you can see bat is the odd item is different because rest of the item is to wear, but bat is different. So you have to cross bat. Now, number 3, bat, teddy bear, golf club, hockey stick, tennis racket. Here you can see the teddy bear is the odd one because rest of the items are related to the sports, but teddy bear is different. Now, Delhi, Mumbai, Sydney, Jaipur, Agra and Chennai. Sydney is the place, it's not in India, but Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur, Agra and Chennai are the places of India. So you have to cross Sydney. Now, number 8, floppy, CD, pen drive, mouse, keyboard and iPod. You have to cross iPod because it is the odd item. The rest one is related to the computer, but iPod is not related to such. iPod is not related to computer, it is odd one. As iPod can't, it's not a part of a computer, but floppy, CD, pen drive, mouse, keyboard, all these are the part. Now number 9, fan, tube light, cycle, geyser, bulb and toaster. Cross cycle, it is odd because it is a vehicle and all items are electronic item. Now encircle the tag of the odd one. You have to encircle A, B, then B, C. After B, you have to start from the B only, then B, C. Here it will be C and D, but it is C and E, so circle number C. Now, number 4, A, B, D, F. Here A, B and C, D will be there or D, E will be there, but not D. After D, it is E. So, cross, circle number B. Now, 7, Z, here X, Y, Z you can see. Here this will be U, V, W because see R, S, T, O, P, Q, L, M, N. So, U, V, W, but here it is given V, U, W. So, circle number B. Now, number 9, L, M, N, O, P, Q, J, K, L. It is in the series, but here U, T, V is given, but it will be T, U, V. So, circle number D. Then X, Y, Z is there. Now, again, number 1, 109, then 208, here 9, then it is 8, after 1, 2, then 307, then 406, but here it is 507. It will be 505, but it is 507. So, circle number C. This is the odd one. Now, number 4, 9008, then 8007, then 7004 is there. Here it will be 7006. So, circle C because it is the odd. Then there is 6005, then 5004. 5004. Now, number 8. See, it is a continue with this 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it will be Then here it is 2, 4, 3, 5. It will be 2, 3, 4, 5. So circle number B. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4, 5, 6, 7. And 5, 6, 7, 8. So circle number B. Here number 9. 1, 1, 2, 3. Then 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then the 3, 3, 4, 5. The first two digits are repeated. Then here 4, 4, 5, 6. But here it is given 4, 5. Then 5, 6. Second and third number is repeated, but the series is for first and second number. First and second digit should be repeated. So circle number D. As you can see here, 5, 5 and 6, 7 is there. Here number 2. The number is 20. Then 30, then 40 should be there. Here is 50, then 60, and here V, then W, then X, then Y, then Z. From the backward, the letters is in forward series and the alphabet are in backward. So here it will be, you have to change. Number 48x is there, so it will be 40x. So circle number C, it is odd. Now number 6, PQ9, QR8, SR7, ST6, TU5. You can see PQ, then QR, Q, continue from Q, QR, then it will be RS. So now RS should be there, and so C, you have to circle C, it is odd, as it is in continue series. So QR, you have to start from R, RS. So STU, ST, then TU. Now chapter 4, alphabet test. Take the correct combination of numbers so that if the letters are arranged accordingly, a meaningful word is formed. You have to form a meaningful word from the letters. It is given over here, KNBA. You can see here the word can BANK. So bank. The word is formed as bank. So for B, 3, the number is given for B is 3. Then for A, 4. For N, 2. And for K, 1. So bank is 3, 4, 2, 1. Tick number D. Now number 3. See here, from the letter, the word is formed as later. 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 For L is 4. For A is 3. For T, 2. For E, 5. And for R, 1. So 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. Number C. Now number 7. From the given letter, the word can be formed as string. STRING. So for S, 5, T, 1, R, 3, I, 2, N, 4, and 6 for G. So number C, 5, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6. So students, complete till page number 15. That's all for today. We'll start the new chapter in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.